Excuse me. So I was actually sitting there. I like your dress. Can I take your photo?
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
No worries.
Yeah, we'll do from here.
No, sounds good.
Can you stand here for me, please?
Yeah.
What's your name?
I'm Alice.
Alice.
Alice, yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You are so photogenic, Alice.
I've done media before and things.
Oh, really?
So, yeah. Do you have like an Instagram? Oh,
I
that's
do have
great. Hey, those are good. And actually, can I get your like details? I don't know if you
Sure.
like.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah. I always need photos done.
Sure.
I do broadcasting. And
Oh,
I
really?
also have a corporate job coming up. So.
Oh, cool.
Thank you.
Can we do one more from the stairs?
Yeah, absolutely.
Good.
Wait, do you want to go ahead and put your details in Instagram, whatever?
I love your dress.
Thank you. It was Mom's idea. She
Oh,
was
really?
like, wear this, and I was like, okay.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
There you go.
Oh my gosh, those are so cool. You're a really great photographer.
Thank you so much.
So you giving me your Instagram?
Yeah.
Amazing. I'll
Sure.
follow you and
Yeah,
hit you up.
I'll send them over.
That's so cool. Thank you.
Thank you
Great
so
meeting
much.
You.
You too.
And thank you so much for wanting to take my photo.
You have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye. Excuse me. I like your style. Can I take your photo?
Sure.
Thank you. We'll do from there.
Sure.
Thank you. We can do from there. What's your name?
Caroline.
Caroline. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
And Juby.
Doobie?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
Washington State in the United States.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Cool.
No, I'm a bit far from home.
Can you stand here, please?
Yeah.
On the second step. Cool. We'll do a couple more. I'll show them first.
I'm not a poser, so
But those are good actually.
that's really cute.
Thank you. Can you just stand on the middle, please?
Middle?
Just here. Yeah. Can you face to it? Yeah, like that. There you go.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much
Yeah,
for
of
your
course.
time. You have a nice time in London. Cheers. Excuse me. I like your hair. Can I take your photo? Thank you. Can you look at this? What's your name? Dini. Nice to meet you. I'm Juby. Where are you from? Are you from here?
No, I'm from Mexico.
Mexico. Hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo estás, hermosa?
Wow. Excellent Spanish.
You can look here. Can you stand here? Yeah, here. The lens is a zoom lens, so I have to go back. And you can look here.
Do you like them?
I like them. There you go.
Oh, wow. May I take a picture from the picture?
Sure. I can send them if you want.
Really?
Yeah,
Wow.
Instagram. I'm gonna post them on Instagram.
Yes. Actually, by Bluetooth, if you want to, I have the Canon app.
Oh, really? Cool.
Yes, but please tag me on Instagram.
Sure. Are you a photographer as well?
Yes.
Oh my god. What camera do you have?
A Canon, of course.
Yeah.
Air 6 II Mark 6
Okay.
II.
R6 II. R6
Uh-huh.
Mark. Okay, Canon R6 Mark II.
Back to my.
Sorry, excuse me. Do you guys know any good places to eat around here?
Good places to eat.
Yeah.
Well, I just was walking down the street, and there was like a beautiful cafeterias and pubs. Maybe there start to be like in that place. It's very nice place.
Gotcha. Okay. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Have a good day.
You too. Are you visiting here?
Yes, just
okay.
for 2 more weeks.
2 more weeks?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Awesome.
Did you like it here?
Yes, it's awesome. Everything is beautiful. Also, I like this weather. I also appreciate that we have like sunny days, and that was very beautiful. But we have enough sun in Mexico, so I was also expecting like this kind of weather, so more cold and cloudy.
Yeah. Disconnected. Oh, cool.
Wow, 86.
Hey.
But please follow me on Instagram.
Sure, I will.
I can follow you back.
Sure. Oh, nice. So happily ever after.
Please.
Yeah, that's me. Yeah, cool.
I want to appear, please, in your
Sure.
feed.
Sure, I will.
Let's take a picture for
Of
the
course.
take the memory. Sorry. Because I'm so excited. Let's take one like this.
Sure.
And with your camera. Thank you.
Thank you.
See
You too. Have a nice day. Excuse me. So actually, I like your style.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. So I walk around and I take pictures of people I meet and post them online.
Oh, yeah.
Can I take
Oh,
your
yeah,
picture?
yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Got sunglasses on.
Are you waiting or are you
Oh,
busy?
no.
Good. So we'll do from. Yeah. Let me get my camera. What's your name, by the way?
Keisha,
Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Juby.
nice to meet you too.
Oh yeah. We can stand there. You can look here. Just give me some. No, you can stand here. This is a zoom lens, so. We'll do a couple more from the top. You've got this cool look, man.
I'm going to a rave.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Where?
Canning Town. Oh,
Right.
yeah.
Oh my god. There you go.
Oh, those are crazy. Oh, those are so cool. Oh, that is perfect. Oh yeah, that is good.
Thank
Do you.
you.
Have like socials or anything?
Yeah, Instagram. It's still loading.
No.
Thank you.
Thank you so
It was
much.
really cool meeting you. Have a nice day.